Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, April 24th. And you can see high temperatures yesterday in the 70s at most areas, a few locations stopping just a little bit short. For Breckenridge, the high is 70. The last time we hit 70 was October 22nd. A great day, certainly, but it's been a long time since we've seen 70-degree temperatures. And after we cool down, we may see more 70s as we get into early next week with another push of warm air. But until then, through the weekend, looks like highs mainly in the 50s. Could jump into the low 60s on Thursday, but overall a cooler than normal pattern through the weekend, and a good chance of showers today into tonight, about 1/1500ths to a quarter of an inch. Heaviest amounts I think will be in the thumb area over into southwest Ontario. Over in those areas, you can see about a third to a half inch. But again, talking to Chuck, again, that was his worry that southern moisture may give us more rain, and that certainly is a possibility. But I think the best bet is around a quarter of an inch, maybe 3/10 tops over in the thumb area, and hopefully that does pan out. You can see yesterday we had a high of 70 degrees and a low of 35, no precipitation, and we've removed the snowfall data. Hopefully that means we won't get any snow, and I just sure hope I didn't jinx myself. But again, this was the warmest day yesterday since last October 22nd. Our normal high is 61 and normal low is 37. And if we look at temperatures around the area this morning, a whole lot warmer than what we're used to. Temperatures mainly in the 50s across the area. And again, nice way to start the day. And we'll get up into the upper 50s. Some places may hit 60, but then as that cooler air moves in with the showers, we'll see temperatures hold steady most of the day. As far as the soil temperatures, you can see just from a week ago, we got temperatures up around 50 degrees, and these deeper temperatures should maintain, especially days we have sunshine. That bright higher angle of late April sunshine should ensure that our soil temperatures at the 4-8 inch levels will continue to rise. And of course we have our normal up and downs with the daily, but you can see the overall trend at the 2-inch level has been warmer. Here's a 50-degree line. Again, probably more than half the day now is being spent above 50 at the 2-inch level, and certainly that during the day in the 8-inch area. As far as the satellite view this morning, you can see that low pressure system off to our south. It's going to be moving to the east, but it's throwing a lot of moisture up. But we have high pressure that's feeding in some low level dry air, trying to prevent that moisture from getting in here. Plus the next system is going to help to eventually push the system off the east, so we should not get rainfall amounts that get out of hand. Again, mainly lighter amounts as it looks right now. If we look at the radar out there, you can see this morning as that precipitation comes to the northeast, it becomes more scattered, and quite a bit of this not reaching the ground, and some areas getting some light showers. And again, we'll see those showers really though pick up during the day, as this moisture will eventually overcome the dry low-level air and produce some showers across the area. But again, our system coming off to the west is going to eventually push the system to the east and bring some showers with it as we get into tonight as the cold front comes through. As far as the weather map this morning, you can see the low pressure system that's going to be moving through the area, and that'll help touch off showers out ahead of it. Again, mainly for today into tonight, and I think may have an early morning shower tomorrow, but then I think we'll see temperatures be steady mainly in the 50s right through the remainder of the week for highs. And you can see the low-level northeast winds trying to prevent that precipitation coming in, but it will fail here as we get into the afternoon hours. As far as how much precipitation here, this is over the next 7 days. Or rather the next 48 hours. This should have been 48 hours just to show the amount of precipitation. Not expected to get too much out of hand. And again, the heavier amounts will be as you get into southwest Ontario, down into the Ohio Valley. And over the next 7 days, we'll see amounts around 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch there. As far as our forecast, 70% chance of showers today. Again, we may hit 59, 60 degrees, but then for the most part, our temperature will hold steady, maybe slowly fall just a bit into the low to mid 50s as the rain moves in. And then highs tomorrow in the mid 50s, maybe around 60 as we get into Thursday with plenty of sunshine. That should be a pretty nice day. And then we'll see temperatures mainly in the 50s over the weekend after a few scattered showers on Friday. But boy, we got some nice warm air coming in for next Monday. We'll talk about that as we get into Friday. As far as weather watch out there this morning, absolutely nothing going on across the Great Lakes region. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.